Dominic Roque shared details about his current relationship with ex-couples Catherine Bernardo and Daniel Padilla in a press interview at the Lux Beauty and Wellness Thanksgiving party at the City of Dreams. When asked if the former love team Kathniel is included in the highly anticipated guest list for his wedding, Roque dropped a bombshell by stating, "Si Kath lang." Meanwhile, when Roque was asked why Daniel Padilla is off the list, Roque opened up about the current status of his friendship with the renowned actor. "Hindi pa kami okay ni DJ," Roque admitted. "We are not talking," he continued, disclosing that they haven't been in touch and haven't resolved any issues since 2020. Despite the absence of Daniel Padilla, Dominic Roque shared a glimpse of the star-studded guest list for his upcoming wedding. He mentioned close friends Khalil Ramos, Pat Sugi, and Marco Gumabao. Regarding his upcoming wedding, Bea Alonso and Roque are actively involved this January, diligently working to secure that save the date. Roque expresses his excitement about starting a family, eagerly anticipating the joy of having a baby girl.